Hi friends, Drew here with Cope Construction and Renovation, your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, 88078, coming to you live from Oxford, Pennsylvania. Beautiful new patio door that we've just put in for this customer. They had a French door here before. It had grids in it that blocked their view. They weren't really happy with that. And they had a major problem with the stink bug sneaking around the screen that came with the door. Now, I can't show you the screen for this door. They've put it away for winter storage. They're going to pull that out in the spring. But this door seals a lot tighter than the old one did, so we're hoping that's really going to resolve some of those issues. We also took care of some door latches and things that just weren't tight, some of the other doors that were leaking. So just wanted to show you this beautiful door that just went in. This is complete. We were able to take all the siding down all the way around the door, get down to the sheathing in the wood, make sure the house wrap and the flashing was the way that it needed to be. And then this door actually comes with an integrated piece of brick mold that is also J-channel. So the siding just drops right into that pocket and came out absolutely beautiful. We were able to put a new pan underneath it so that we could prevent any future water damage from getting. There's a little bit of stuff down at the corners, but nothing that was a major concern. So we got that covered up and taken care of. And so it's all in together, good, done in time for the holidays. If there's a problem that we can solve for you, give us a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation Extension 2. For new projects, it's not just done, it's Cope built. We look forward to serving you soon. For now, in Oxford, Pennsylvania, this is Drew. We'll see you later.